Hey everyone! Welcome to my latest video where I'm going to be talking about 10 absolutely amazing gadgets for cars that you can buy on Amazon. I know that there are a lot of car enthusiasts out there who are always on the lookout for the latest and greatest gadgets that they can add to their vehicles. And that's what this video is all about. We're going to explore the very best car gadgets that you can buy on Amazon right now. These gadgets are going to make your driving experience safer, more enjoyable, and more convenient. So, let's jump right in, shall we? Number 1. SYVORTIK. Leaving a car in the sun for an hour can make it extremely hot, reaching up to a scorching 47 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, just 3 minutes in the cold with the engine off can cause the cabin temperature to drop by 8 degrees Celsius. In the end, your car can feel like either an oven or a freezer. Both models are compact and can be easily mounted on the back of the seats to provide airflow for the driver or passengers. They have a universal mounting system suitable for passenger cars and even forklift cabins. Number 2. Fanttik X8 APEXs. One of the biggest nightmares during your road trip is definitely getting a flat tire, especially if you don't have a spare one. But with the Fanttik X8 APEX tire inflator, you can keep your adventures going without any worries. This pump comes with a high-performance chip that boosts the tire inflation speed to 0.27 barrels per minute, meaning you can inflate a road bike tire in just about 14 seconds. The large LCD dual display shows you both the real-time pressure value and the preset value, allowing you to keep track of your tire's condition. Plus, you don't need an external power supply thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery. With 5 preset modes and an auto shoot-off feature, this tire inflator ensures that your tire won't be overinflated. It even has a 2-mode LED light and 2 types of ports to keep other devices charged up while you're on the go. Number 3. HUDWAY Drive. This setup display is the coolest way to keep your eyes on the road while getting all the information you need. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth and works seamlessly with your favorite navigation apps. On top of that, it brings you instant notifications and text without compromising your safety. You can even make hands-free phone calls with its modern design, which fits perfectly into any car interior. Installing it takes only a few seconds. Additionally, there are some elegant add-ins available, such as side view and rear view cameras. These cameras have an ultra-wide angle, a rugged weatherproof body, and even a night vision feature, allowing you to see in the dark as if it were midday. Number 4. XKGlow Truck Tailgate LED Light Bar. To wrap things up, we have an exciting additional option for you. Now, I must admit it goes a bit beyond the $50 budget, but let's put that aside for a moment. Who doesn't enjoy indulging themselves once in a while, right? This tailgate tread light bar and turning signal is exactly what you need to give your truck some extra pizzazz and a burst of personality. Plus, it's a fantastic way to enhance your vehicle's visibility and ensure everyone's safety on the road. You can easily connect the light bar to your existing taillights using a 4-pin connector or splitter. Mounting options include double-sided sticky tape or screws directly into your truck's body. Just make sure to select the right size and consult your manufacturer for specific details. Number 5. EcoXGear Atem Car Portable HEPA Air Purifier. Improve the phrasing to American conversational. Experience fresh and clean air with the IQAir Atem Desk Personal Air Purifier. This amazing device is equipped with touch-responsive sensors that allow you to effortlessly turn it on or off, as well as adjust the fan speeds. Plus, with the user-friendly app, you have the convenience of remotely controlling and customizing the settings. Unlike regular air purifiers, the IQAir Atem immediately produces clean air wherever you place it. Keep in mind, though, it comes with a price tag of $400. So, it's entirely up to you to determine if it's a worthwhile investment. Number 6. Reusable Cleaning Gel. To clean the cracks and holes in your car, you should use a car cleaning gel putty. It's a great way to get rid of dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair from tight spots and small cracks in your car. When you insert the car detailing tools into any narrow crevices, the dirt sticks to the putty and easily comes off. With this car cleaning putty, you can safely clean any equipment or surface without any worries. The gel used for cleaning cars is made with advanced cleaning materials and has a pleasant magnolia blossom scent. It's sticky enough to pick up dust and particles but won't stick to your hands. It leaves your car completely free of any dust or residue. And the best part is, you can get all of this for just $7. Number 7. STONKAM 12.3-inch electronic rearview mirror. These days, the side mirrors in cars are getting smarter. They not only help you see blind spots but also come with a built-in video recorder. It's super quick to activate, taking just 3 seconds, and the recorded data is shown on a large 12.3-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 720 pixels. These mirrors can handle temperatures from 20 to 70 degrees Celsius, which is pretty impressive. What's really awesome is that each mirror can connect to 2 cameras, including one with night vision, giving you a dual perspective. Since these mirrors are placed inside the car, they are not affected by rain or other weather conditions. You can save the recorded footage on an SD card or easily transfer it to your smartphone using Wi-Fi. Number 8. EcoXGear EcoJump. That's the sound I'd rather not hear in the desert. Good news, jump-starting a car is no longer an issue if you have EcoJump in your glove box. This portable gadget easily jump-starts a dead battery as well as some other tasks. It goes without saying that the device is ready for the extreme conditions. The hazard flashing lights might be handy to warn other drivers on the road need some light to check the engine. There's a built-in flashlight for that. Is the phone about to turn off? Use EcoJump as a power bank. Now the desert doesn't seem so scary. Number 9. Ooono Co-Driver No1. Having extra safety on the road is always a good thing. The Ooono Co-Driver can be your affordable and user-friendly buddy, keeping you updated on speed cameras and road hazards in real time. Just keep your phone with you when you start driving, and the device will automatically activate. You don't need to mess around with apps. It's like having a reliable co-pilot that gives you audible and visual signals to stay alert without distractions. By the way, if you come across a camera on your way and the device doesn't warn you, simply click it once. And if there's a danger on the road, click the Ooono Co-Driver twice to alert other users. Number 10. ShockFlow Car Power Inverter. We've got the perfect item for hobbyists or professionals who need to charge their larger device while on the go. Introducing the ShockFlow 200-watt car power inverter converter. It's designed to keep your power flowing wherever you are. Simply connect it to your 12-volt power socket, and this nifty little gadget will convert your power source into 110-volt AC power. This means you can easily charge your larger device. Not only does it come with 2 AC power sockets, but it also features USB and QC ports for charging your smaller gadgets. The handy display shows you how much power you're using, and you can switch the output with just the push of a button. The best part? This converter is compact enough to fit comfortably on most center consoles, so you can bring a touch of luxury with you on your next camping trip. Don't let power limitations hold you back. Stay connected with the ShockFlow 200-watt car power inverter converter. So, there you have it, 10 absolutely amazing gadgets for cars that you can buy on Amazon right now. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it informative, exciting, and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one.